Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation of my team. There are four members in my team is Nguyễn Hoàng Hà, Vũ Nhật Nam, Bùi Tấn Dương and me, Nguyễn Hải Long. This chapter includes four parts. The first one is developing product strategies, creating promotional strategies, designing distribution strategies, and developing pricing strategies. The learning object describes the factors to consider in developing international product strategies. Outline the international promotional strategy and methods available to firms. The next is explain the factors to consider when designing international distributions. And the last is describe to main international pricing strategies and factors to consider. In marketing, there are two trends to develop a product. The first is train products to adapt with the target market. And the second is maintain the certain number of the products and development across all the markets. Now, let's go to developing product strategies. In here, there are 6 factors: law and regulations, cultural differences, brand and product names, national image, counterfeit goods and black practice, certain product life cycle. With laws and regulations, all the company must adapt products to satisfy laws and regulations in the target market. Developing countries have fewer consumer protection laws, and governments impose fewer regulations in order to hold down production costs and consumer price. Next is cultural differences. The company adapt products to suit local buyers' product preferences, which are rooted in culture. Not all companies need to modify their products to the culture. They identify a different cultural need that is satisfied. Next to brand and product names. Several issues related to the company's brand name are important concerns for the international managers. The reasons: because identify the source or character of the items, help the customers to select, recommend, or reject products, functions as legal property protect from trespass by competitors. How to enhance and protect brand. The first, create new product names or modify existing ones to suit local preferences. The second is review the image of the brand and update if it is still old-fashioned. Because it can be highly offensive or easy to mislead consumers. Next to the national image. The value customers obtain from a product is heavily influenced by the image of the country in which it is designed, manufactured, or assembled. This image can be positive for some products, but negative for others. Counterfeit goods and black markets. Counterfeit goods can damage buyer image of the brand when the counterfeits are the inferior quality, which is nearly always the case. The last is the shortened product life cycles. The companies traditionally manage to extend a product's life in introducing it into different markets consecutively.